Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing great. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Riha and I live in Saudi Arabia. So since 5 days I haven't uploaded any video. This is because the very next day of Ayana's birthday, she had fever and cough. She has been getting fever since 3 weeks. She gets fever and then it gets cured. Again, she gets fever. So I was clueless what was the reason because I couldn't feel that she had any phlegm or anything. But when we consulted, doctor told that she got phlegm in her esophagus. I don't know what is the cause of it. But then later, after 3 days also, it wasn't cured. Then we got to know it was a viral infection. So she's on antibiotics and also we are keeping nebulization at home along with the medicine. So she's doing better now. And also it must be nazar also because many people had come home and she got a lot of compliments. Kids fall sick very quick when they have this nazar and all. So here I was making breakfast because Ayan was insisting from so long that Mama, please make pancakes. And I was quite free today, so I thought of making some pancakes. So here I've taken 1 egg. I'm making with 1 egg. To this I've added about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now this depends on you how much sugar you really want to add to your pancakes. So I've added approximately, I think, 3 tablespoons, not exactly, but approximate. So after adding egg and sugar, we need to whisk a little. And then after that, I've added about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now to this, I've added a pinch of baking powder. And then after mixing it well, I've added about quarter cup of milk and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Now you can add a wheat flour instead. And I always make I do not measure. I actually make the measurement I know, like it's just a random every time I make. I mostly never use measurements while cooking because I'm used to cooking, so it's always just randomly I make things and they turn out good. So here, once the pan is hot, I've added the batter. And just before adding the batter, I've sprayed some oil. You can use butter as well. Now once the pancake is cooked from one side, you can just flip the pancake and cook the other side. So this doesn't require a lot of time. This cooks really fast. Once there's a bubble on the upper side, you can flip the pancakes. Now you can make big size pancakes or small mini pancakes. It's as per your choice. So here I've made small pancakes because kids love having the small mini ones. So I made the small ones. Also I had made one big one for myself. I'm not a huge fan of pancakes, but when I was making for kids, there was some batter. So I thought, let me have the same thing for the breakfast. So here I have drizzled some date syrup. You can use maple syrup as well, because I have date syrup. I do not use maple syrup, so I'm using here date syrup. So this is slightly sweet, not too much sweet pancake. I've tasted it, so it's not very much sweet. So I've added a little of date syrup. So usually I drizzle date syrup for pancakes. I do not use anything else. So here I've taken blueberries as a topping. You can use any of your favorite fruits, because Ayun's favorite fruit is berry. So I've used here blueberry. So here our pancake is ready. Anybody can eat whatever they want. Okay?
I want this one.
What?
This pancake actually tastes so good.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What, Ayana? What? You're welcome, baby. You don't want to eat? You don't want to eat? Eat. Baby wants to eat? Take. Eat the smaller one. Eat. Say Bismillah. Say Bismillah, Ayana. How is it? How is it, baby? Good? Okay. So for the lunch here, my neighbor had sent some lentil oat soup and some macaroni. She had made some cheddar cheese macaroni. Even though this macaroni is bland, it had this unique cheese taste, which was absolutely loved by my kids, and they anyways love anything which is made with cheese. And yeah, pasta is one of their favorite. So they had the same thing for the lunch. I had also made some rice, so I also had this soup. So this was our lunch, and later in the evening I had to go and buy some groceries. So we went out. Also we had to go for shopping for Ayun's birthday. So here near our house we have this shop, a grocery shop, Lion. Here, usually I come here to buy all the things required. So they have all the Indian stuff required, even all the zira rice or even the dosa rice, idli rice, whatever I want. So I do not go to Lulu, and in Lulu it's quite expensive, and here the prices are reasonable. They're much cheaper than the other grocery shops, so we come here. So here in one place I get everything. I can even buy mutton. They have a good quality of mutton and chicken as well. So we come here. It's nearby as well. So once we were done buying the grocery, we went to Center Point, and then we went to Red Tag. So when I went to Center Point, I couldn't record. I left my bag in the car. So after that, when I got down in Red Tag, so I shopped here. So for Ayun's birthday, I had bought jacket from Center Point, but I didn't find good collection of dress. And here in Red Tag, no, almost the entire year they have offer. So you can any time go and buy, because for 10 real and all, they had a good collection of t-shirts and all. And after that, because I had not prepared anything for dinner, so we had to come up to the restaurant. So last time also we had come to this restaurant, and I had recorded everything, but anyways I always record, but I do not get time to edit and upload. So we were here, And then yeah, Ayana had already started coughing here, so she had already started feeling, a little sick. She was coughing very badly, and then that's why I ordered soup also, but she didn't have. And then after having here good dinner, we went back home. So here we had ordered manch of soup for us, and for kids I had ordered chicken corn soup. Ayan had drank the soup, but Ayana didn't drink. uh, Also, we had ordered this tandoori chicken and all. They told the quantity was the very small, so we had ordered the whole chicken, but it was too much. The full plate was too much because they told half plate will come only 2 piece, so we had to order the big one. But later I had to get that back home. We had to parcel at home. Now here, after coming home, she was coughing very badly, so I had kept nebulization along with some medicine. So also I had tried this homemade remedy for cough. When you have mild cough and all, this gets cured if you keep this ajwain and garlic potli. You just have to make ajwain and garlic hot, like roast this on the pan. Now after roasting this, you have to put this in the clean towel, and you need to make a potli out of it. So now this potli, you have to give a steam type, like you have to press it on their chest, and make sure it's not very hot so that you do not burn the skin. And you also need to pat this on their back. So this way, this will help in reducing the cough. Also it helps in cold and all. They can also smell this. It actually works, but this time she had a viral infection, that's why it didn't get cured. But when you have mild cough and cold, this remedy has worked a lot of time. So I was really concerned because she was coughing badly, and anyways, morning I was planning to take her to doctor, but now because she was coughing very badly, so thought of giving her honey and pepper. Now here in a teaspoon, I have taken honey, and I've added ground pepper. Now you can use freshly ground pepper as well, but here I've added the pepper powder. Now after adding honey and pepper, mix it well, and then just make them have it, and immediately give them hot water. So this way, it actually works when you have throat pain or even severe cough. But when you have viral and all, I don't think so this works. But when it was early morning around 5, she had very high fever. So at around 9 we had to go and consult doctor. All of a sudden she felt sick. She was all good till afternoon, and suddenly evening she started coughing. So she didn't wanted to have this. Seeing this, she was running, but anyways I had to make her have. Very good, very good. Since Ayana had high fever, we had consulted in the morning itself. Then later my husband went back to the office. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. That's all for today's video. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum. See you all soon. Take care.